Why don't hearing-impaired seniors like using mobile phones? Because they think the delete button could erase their hearing aids. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on phones for hearing-impaired seniors. Tip 1. Utilize hearing aid compatibility. Many modern phones are hearing aid compatible, meaning they can be easily connected to hearing aids to amplify the sound for clearer conversations. Look out for phones marketed as hack and ensure to connect them properly for the best possible experience. Tip 2. Consider text-to-speech or speech-to-text apps. Various applications exist that convert spoken words into written text or vice versa. These can be a great help for seniors with hearing impairments by allowing them to read what is being said on a phone call or converting their text messages into spoken words. Tip 3. Try adjustable volume settings. A standard feature on most phones, adjustable volume settings can help amplify the sound for those with hearing impairments. Look for a phone with a higher maximum volume or with enhanced audio settings specifically designed for those with hearing impairments. Tip 4. Use visual alert features. Many phones have the capability to flash or vibrate when a call or message is received. These visual or tactile cues can be beneficial for individuals with hearing impairment as they provide an alternative way of alerting the user to incoming communications. Tip 5. Consider using video calls. Utilizing platforms like FaceTime or Skype can be valuable for those with hearing impairments, as visual cues like lip reading and sign language can assist in communication. Tip 6. Try Bluetooth loopsets. These devices are designed to work with hearing aids and cochlear implants, making it easier for seniors with hearing loss to use mobile phones. Bluetooth loopsets transmit the sound from the phone directly to the hearing device, reducing background noise. Tip 7. Use closed captions for media. Various online platforms support closed captioning, which transcribes audio content into subtitles. Enabling closed captions while watching videos or movies can greatly help those with hearing impairment. Tip 8. Consider phones with bigger screens and larger buttons. Not only can larger buttons and screens make a device easier to handle, but a bigger screen can display larger text, making it simpler for the user to read text messages or incoming caller IDs. Tip 9. Consider a landline phone with amplified sound. These specialized phones can amplify sound better than mobile phones and might include other helpful features like a flashing light to indicate an incoming call. Tip 10. Consider a phone designed specifically for the hard of hearing. These phones typically come with features like amplified speakers, hearing aid compatibility, adjustable tone control, and large, easy-to-read displays. Tip 11. Customize phone settings. Various settings on a smartphone, for example, vibration intensity, sound, brightness and font size, can be customized to match the user's needs. Experimenting and tailoring these settings can make the device more amenable to an individual's hearing impairment.